In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Mailchimp account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive straight into it. The very first step is to log into your Mailchimp account. So go ahead and navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Once you're there, enter your credentials, your email address and password, and hit the login button. This will take you to your main account dashboard, where you'll find a host of options to manage your email marketing. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to your account and billing information. To get there, look for your profile icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. This will lead you to a new area where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now that you're in the Account and Billing section, it's time to look at your plan details. You need to click on the Billing tab, which will then present you with options labeled Monthly Plans or Credits. This is where you can find information about your current plan and also the different pricing tiers available to you. So now it's time to change your plan. You'll see a button that says Change Plan. Click on that. When you do, a list of Mailchimp's various pricing options will appear. You'll notice that each plan highlights its included features and limitations. This is crucial because you want to make sure that the new plan you select still meets the needs of your business without any hiccups. As you review the lower tier plans, take a moment to check if they accommodate your active contact limits and necessary features. It's really important to ensure that you will still have all the tools you need for your email campaigns. Once you've found a plan you feel fits your needs better, simply select it. After you've made your choice, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the downgrade. You'll likely need to review a summary of your new plan, confirming the details and any other changes. This is your last chance to double-check everything, so go through it carefully. Once you're satisfied, give it a final confirmation, and voila, you've successfully downgraded your Mailchimp account. Make sure to take note that downgrading your plan will affect the features you have access to, so it's always best to understand how the changes may impact your ongoing campaigns. And that's all there is to it. Downgrading your Mailchimp account isn't as daunting as it may seem when you break it down step by step. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, happy